We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hi guys, I'm Gina, or GOA as some of you like to call me, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well, and just remember to subscribe, or you can wait till the end of the video, but subscribe. So today I'm coming at you with another hair review from this hair company called Hairspells. Now, I don't believe they're AliExpress hair company. They've got their own separate website and everything, so you know, it's good. And they make wigs, or they sell the bundles separately and closures separately and frontals separately. So let's talk about what's on my head today. So today I've got the Cambodian straight hair full lace frontal in 18 inches. It's like a dark brown to black kind of color, so just natural hair color. They didn't do anything to it, but I do believe you can get some in like blonde, maybe different colors.
Hi guys, I'm very excited. I just want to give a review of this beautiful hair I received from Hairspells. I love it. It's just very soft, easy to comb, and it's very flat on my hair.
So let's start off with the packaging first, and then I'm going to talk about the actual hair. So the hair actually came in a cute little bag like this. I think it's so adorable. Like 10 out of 10 for the packaging, most definitely 10 out of 10. This, let's just talk about the material as well. This is silk, and this is like a, I don't know what this is, but it's good for hair. Like if you were to style it, if I wanted this to be bone straight or curly or whatever I wanted to do with it, just put it in here overnight and then wear it out tomorrow. Like it's not going to move. So this is where the wig actually came in a little net as well, and inside that it's got exactly what you got, which was the Cambodian hair and the length that you got it in, which was 18 inch. So that's really good, helps you, remind you. It's got some codes on there if you want to add them. And then inside the actual bag we've got lashes, which are really, really cute, and I might just wear these, but they're really, really cute. And we've got a little card, kind of information card. So it gives you brief history about Hairspells, the company themselves. And then we've got a little section on how to actually maintain your hair, which I think is really good, and I need to read through that. It's good for people who are maybe new to this whole weave life or wig life. So it kind of gives you like a guide on how to keep their hair looking good. So now I'm going to talk about the hair. So pros, basically everything. No tangling, no shedding. Stays straight, I guess. I guess it's fairly straight. Yeah, it's fairly straight. It stayed straight. It's a full lace frontal, as I mentioned. It is a bit big for my head, and I still need to actually customize it. I have worn this hair out. So this is kind of like a initial review / 1 week update, but I have worn it out. It was really good, but obviously I haven't cut the sides yet of the frontal, so I need to always keep it like this. I put it in a middle part and kind of tilted the wig because I'm not used to this whole frontal life thing yet, but you know, it's a good start. This hair's good for beginners. Only thing that I would say is I prefer, like, this is my personal preference, I prefer my hair being more full, even if it is straight. So I think this could have been a bit more full, but apart from that, I really like it. Like, it basically stays in its structure. I'm putting my running my fingers through it now, not one single strand, so that's really, really, really good. You can style it very, very easily. Oh, and one other con, I noticed at the top of my hair, when I was like parting it, there were quite a lot of flyaways. Don't know if you guys know, it's just them little annoying hairs that stick out. So I did actually have to use mousse to kind of put it down. So that's another con. So I did want it a bit more filler and flyaways, like, yeah, flyaways. But apart from that, I don't see anything wrong with getting the wig. Like, I think it's still perfect. I would rate it probably like an 8 out of 10. And there was no smell to it. So do you like this wig as well? You can visit the website and actually use my coupon code, which is Ginaobi. I'm going to put it on the screen and I'm going to put the link in the description box. So if you want good quality hair with a good price and you want money off it, then I suggest you go to Hairspells. So before I forget, I need to talk to you about the customer service. First day asked me what hair I wanted. Second day sent me tracking number. 3 days later, bearing in mind this is the Christmas period, 3 days later I received the hair. So customer service, definitely 10 out of 10. So that was it from me, guys. Just a brief video on this hair. If anything does come up, I will let you guys know, and I'll probably do a month's hair review. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in my next video.